Follow these steps to add products and services on your store on Amara. From the dashboard, select the Product tab from the navigation menu on the left. Click on the Add Products button. Add product name. Upload product image. Select product category. Add product count. Add product cost price and selling price. Add tax and discounts if applicable. Add product description and then click Submit to add the product. If you have many products to add, you can use the bulk upload feature to add multiple products at the same time. To do this, download the CSV template. Fill out the product details and save in the CSV file. Then, click on Upload to bulk upload the products. You can also click on the Edit icon to edit details of existing products. To add services, click on the Services tab from the navigation menu on the left. Click on Add Services. Enter service name. If you've worked out your cost per service, you can enter it here. Otherwise, you can leave the tab blank. Select Service Category, then add Selling Price. Enter discount if applicable. Select Service Duration from the drop-down. If you offer group class or bookings for the service, you can enter the maximum number of bookings and submit the form to create the service. You can also click the Edit icon to edit any of the existing services. If you want to delete a service, you can click on the Delete icon to delete the service. You can also toggle off a service if you do not want it available for customers to book. If you need help at any stage, you can click the Help button to have one of our support personnel assist you with onboarding. Do send us your feedback on using Amara. Happy selling!